Hello, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video we are going to go over the seated list display for Texas card rooms. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our desk views. Then we're going to go ahead and go into our poker waitlist. I've already opened a table and added some players for this test. And now from here we're going to select more, and then we're going to select seated so we can look at our seated list. And then from here, we can view all of our players that are currently seated at a table. So notice on the left it says club, and that's going to show either due, valid, low, or expired. Obviously it's going to go valid, low, due, and expired in that order. And then it's going to show you the time that they expire, followed by the table and the seat number, and then by the player's name and the game that they are playing. So now if we want to look at a player, so let's look at Fred here who says he's due, going to hit promotion. Now we can see that he has $1.52 remaining on his account. And you can also look at the status and see that Fred has not paid his daily membership. So there's another place to view the membership status as well. So we're going to just refresh that so we can view what it is in real time. Now he has $1.06 left on his account. And now we're back into the seated list. And now I want to show you that you can sort all of these fields by club, expired, table, seat, etc. Anything you want to sort these by, you can. So if you want to view all the expireds or all the valids or when everyone's expiring, what table they're at, what seat number they're at, by name in alphabetical order or by game type, you can sort any of those fields. Alright guys, and that is how you utilize that seated list for the Texas card rooms. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.